Good morning. Here's another Tech for Senior tip. This one is on how to end a running task in Windows 11 the easy way. Right now I have the Brave browser open, and to close it is very simple. Top right, click on the X and you close it. Or you can go down to the taskbar, find the icon for the browser, do a right click, and select Close Window. That's very simple. Suppose you want to end this task. Well, to end it right now, the only way you can do that is to open up Task Manager, find the Brave browser, do a right click on that task, and then select End Task. That's the hard way. In Windows 11, there's an easier way. Let me show you how. Start by going to the settings, and the easiest way is just simply click on the Start and select Settings. Once this opens, go to System, and now what you're looking for is for developers. Click that little arrow to the right, and once you're here, what you're looking for is called End Task. That's off by default. Turn it on. Now we're finished. We don't need the settings anymore, so let's close them. Now we're still looking at the browser, but now when you go down to the taskbar, again, do a right click on the icon for the browser. As I said, I'm using the Brave browser. A right click, and you now have an option to end the task. The close is still there, but you now can end it without having to go into Task Manager, finding it, right-clicking on it, and selecting End. That's a little shortcut that's now been added into Windows 11. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching and listening. Bye-bye till the next time.